In this video, I want to show you how to customize the lock screen of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air. So the first step is, well, first go on your lock screen. So press the power button, keep press on it, and well, you may have to unlock your phone and you're going to enter in this kind of screen. You can customize one of the lock screen you already have, or you can create a brand new one, and this is what I suggest. Press the plus icon here and you're going to select any pictures or any background that you wish. You can also select, as I said, one of your photos by clicking photos. You're going to go into the camera roll, and from here you can click on any photos you wish to use. Right away, as you see, it will give you a 3D effect if it's possible, especially if there's a portrait. You have multiple options at this point. First of all, on the top you have the date. If you tap on it, you can exchange the date with another type of information down below. So let's say I want to select over here my alarms, where I can add the date and my alarm beside it. Then you have the time. And you can make this quite huge. This is new, okay? And obviously when it's too big, it will not stay behind your character or object. You can also change the style of this clock, no matter how you wish, the size, stuff like that, the color, if you want liquid glass or solid. Then you can add widgets. By clicking here, so many widgets are available. So let's say the weather you prefer having it. So click weather and it will be there. You have two different shortcut apps. By default, it's the flashlight and the camera app, but you can remove them and add any other shortcut. Let's say you want the timer to have there, and instead of the camera, you prefer having the alarm. You can also change the style. It will remove the background if you swipe right, sorry. Okay, just like that. And one interesting thing, if you don't do that, you can click this icon and it will generate this kind of effect. I don't know how to explain it, but like a 3D effect. It's like your character is up front and your background is very far away, and when you move your phone, well, it will adapt. You can also remove this effect if you prefer not having it. Once you're done and you're happy with the results, you simply have to press add. It will ask you if you want to set this up as a pair, so your home screen as well will be the same thing but in blur. If you want that, select set as wallpaper, a wallpaper pair, or customize home screen. So you're going to have a lock screen, and your home screen where all your apps are will be different. So over here you can choose another photo or whatever you want. Let's say I want this. Done. Done. And this is it. Tap on it and you have a brand new lock screen that looks way cooler than the original one. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.